Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as already I got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and block someone on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, we're gonna go ahead access our Snapchat app, and then you're gonna go ahead tap on at this little profile message icon that we have here, right? And here in this section we're gonna find all of the chats that we have done so far with our friends. If you have got that friend right over here, you can go ahead choose a particular account. Right, you're gonna go ahead tap on that person's account and tap on that person's username on top, and this kind of interface with your profile's information gonna pop up. You're gonna go ahead tap on this three dot icon on top right corner on top and tap on this option called manage friendship, and here in the section you can find this option called block. If you tap on that, then you will be able to successfully block that particular user from your Snapchat just like that. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.